Today is Vlogmas day 11, and today we're going to be making chicken fried rice the Jamaican way for you. So our ingredients are as follow. So it's boneless chicken breast, sweet corn, carrot, bell pepper, scallion, garlic, onion, cabbage, and soy sauce and Chinese soy sauce and mushroom seasoning, mushroom sauce which gives us the smokiness, and eggs. So we're going to scramble our eggs, set it aside, then we will get into the meat of the matter. So we're going to scramble our eggs quickly. So now we're going to cook up our chicken breast. So we're going to add some oil for a pot. Make sure your wok is hot. And then we are going to start with some finely chopped garlic and onion. And we're going to saute this. Then we're going to add our boneless chicken breast. You could also use boneless chicken thighs to make this dish. So as long as it's boneless, you could also just make it strictly vegetarian, or you could make it with shrimp, pork, beef, whatever your choice is. So we're going to add our chicken breast and we're going to let it cook through completely before we start adding the rest of our ingredients. So put in your chicken breast, saute it, make sure it's properly cooked. It's completely cooked through before you add anything else to your pot. So after our chicken breast is completely cooked, we're going to add some Chinese soy sauce. And remember that the chicken breast was pre-seasoned with some all-purpose seasoning, some onion and garlic powder. You could also just wash clean and cut your chicken and then season it while it cooks, but I like my meat to be properly marinated, so I seasoned it before. And after you've added your Chinese soy sauce, then you are going to let it cook a little before you start adding your veggies. And we are going to add our carrots first because it will take a longer time to soften. So you're going to add some carrots, your bell peppers, and you're going to saute this until it's soft enough before you start adding the rest of the meat. So after you have sauteed your carrots and your bell peppers with your chicken, you're going to add some shredded cabbage. This is optional. You could also add some celery, you could add some pak choy, whatever you want. This is just to add some extra veggies to your fried rice. So we're going to saute our cabbage. Cabbage doesn't take a long while to cook, so you don't have to let it cook till it's extremely soft before you start adding the rest of your ingredients, because it will continue to cook while you are adding the rest of your ingredients. So now we're going to add our cooked rice. So you can cook the rice overnight. I cooked mine a little before I started doing the fried rice, so it's still warm. So you're going to add your rice to your pot, and then you are going to combine everything together to make sure all the rice is coated with the sauce, the Chinese soy sauce in the pot, and the veggies, and mix it properly so that when you're finished, you should not be seeing any of the white rice. So you make sure you mix it in properly, and feel free to add more Chinese soy sauce if you want, because it all depends on how you like your fried rice, the color. And you can always add more rice to your pot after you mix it into. So you mix it first to make sure it's properly coated, and then if you have additional rice, then you can add it afterwards. And then you're going to make sure that it's mixed in properly too before you start adding the rest of your ingredients. So now to our pot, we're going to add some sweet corn. You could also add green peas, or you could add mixed vegetables if you wanted. Then you're going to add back your scrambled eggs. My eggs have that color because I seasoned my eggs with black pepper and salt before I scrambled it. Everything must have flavor. We don't want anything to be fresh. And then we're going to add our mushroom soy sauce, and this gives it the smoky taste. The smoky flavor, you get it from your mushroom soy sauce. So you're going to add this to it, and then you're going to mix everything together. Make sure everything is properly coated with the sauce. And remember, you add more sauce based on your preference and how dark you like it. So this is basically what our fried rice looks like. We're going to add also some all-purpose seasoning to taste, and we're also going to add some scallion to top it off. So mix everything together, and then we are going to enjoy. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And tomorrow on Vlogmas Day 12, Cookmas, better yet, we're going to have something extra special. So remember to come back tomorrow to see that video.
Together